his grandma Carlos saw him on the video, and she told me, take Aviv to the haircut. I don't see his eyes. Now he is so good. Sitting nice. Another thing I noticed, he liked to look at himself. Right? Maybe he's going to be an actor one day.
Sure.
Yes.
Could be.
I'm gonna be Batman.
You want to be Batman?
You gonna be the actor?
He wants to be Batman,
Batman?
a hero, to save the world.
Oh.
Fine, I'll be right back.
What do you say?
It doesn't hurt anymore when I...
No, it doesn't hurt. It never hurt. But you got
Take care.
this. Carlos never hurt you.
You just take care of me.
Yes.
Stay well, stay careful up there.
Such a goody boy.
Do not make it hurt.
Huh?
Do not make it hurt.
Speak up. What?
Do not make it hurt.
I say to stay in the house.
Yes.
That's my next move. One store to go to, then I'm going home.
Now you can watch TV, then you're in the dark.
Yes.
As long as the power doesn't go out again.
Yeah, I know.